The many benefits of doing yoga are numerous and wide-ranging. For example, practicing yoga can help improve your flexibility, increase your strength and balance, reduce stress and anxiety, improve cardiovascular health, and even help prevent certain diseases. Additionally, the mindfulness that is cultivated through yoga can also lead to a greater sense of well-being and happiness in one's life. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced yogi, there are so many reasons why you should consider adding this practice to your daily routine. There are many benefits to practicing yoga, including improving your flexibility and balance, reducing stress and anxiety, promoting cardiovascular health, and even preventing certain diseases. What does yoga do? Additionally, the mindfulness that is cultivated through a regular yoga practice can help you feel more centered and grounded in your daily life. Whether you are new to yoga or have been practicing for years, there are countless reasons why you should consider adding this activity to your routine.